In this video, I'm going to show the user how to compare model data against measured station data in the observation drawer on the bottom of OceansMap. So if the user turns on an observation station layer, these pins represent stations that collect measured data. And then if the user also turns on a model layer, we can turn on Chesapeake wave height. It will populate the model wave height layer on the map there. So if we would like to compare measured versus model data, the user can click on one of these stations here on the map. And this drawer will open on the bottom here. So on the top we have our station data that is up to date with a list of the parameters that station has. And then if we scroll down, we have the model data layer. So if we turn both of these on for wave height, they will both plot on this same time series plot here. And you can see blue is model data and pink is measured data. So that's why blue has predictions here in the future because it's model, and the measured data stops here because this is the active time right now. The x-axis of this plot syncs up with the time slider on the map. The y-axis is showing wave height in meters. The user can download this data with this button here. The user can show this data in the dashboard view, which I will show in another video. And then the user can further validate this data with this button here. So if the user clicks this button, you can see the validation tool opens, and it pre-populates the inputs based on what's showing in this graph here. A separate video will go over the details of how to use the validation tool.